just tried the first little bit of grinding. Looks like the grind is coming up pretty good. It might even be a little bit too fine. I just put about a pound of grain in there. It looks, when I first poured it in, it looked like it probably could fit about 2 pounds in that hopper. Maybe a little bit more than that. And this is the Crystal 80, half a pound. A little bit too much. Now I need 12 ounces of English chocolate malt. On the dot. I need a full pound of biscuit. I just want to see if it's an exact pound in the package. Oh, they shorted me 1/10 of an ounce. Now I've got 4 pounds of this floor malted Briess Otter left because I already ground up 1 pound testing out the mill. Let's see if it actually comes out to 4 pounds. Oh, that one's just over a pound, so that's 2. That one's just over a pound as well. And the other 2 pounds of Briess Otter. Again, a little bit more than a pound. And again, a little bit more than a pound. So here is the rest of my grain bill, all together, including the pound that I already ground up in there. I've got 5 pounds of floor malted Briess Otter. I've got a pound of biscuit malt, 12 ounces of English chocolate malt, and then a half a pound each, 8 ounces each, of amber malt, crystal 20 and crystal 80. So you can see the various different grains in there ready to get crushed up. Okay. Let's see if I can fill up this hopper without pouring grain all over the floor. That looks about full enough to give it a go. Grain in there. Let's catch it all. Some of that grain was trying to get away. Can't let that happen. This obviously is not the ideal way to go about this, but I don't have anything set up quite yet to corral the grain better than this. Looks like we're ready to add some more grain. But before we do that, let's check the crush. This isn't just the base malt like the first test was, so let's take a look at the crush and see how the rest of the grain is doing coming through this. Oh yeah, I don't see a single uncrushed grain. The husks seem to be holding up pretty well. There's one that's, that's crushed too. Looks like we're doing good. Might even be too fine, but but I'm going to go ahead and adjust it a little bit. Back in there. I'd say that was about 2 pounds that I did on that last run, on that last fill of the hopper. Let's tighten that back down. Adjusting. Gotta get every last grain. They say each kernel of grain is equal to 1 sip of beer, right? Or, I might have made that up. Yeah, that made a little bit of a mess, but I got a few extra grains in there. There we go. Got the bag out of there. I had ripped the bag as I tried to pull it out without moving the mill. So I took the mill right off and then got it dumped into a bag. Does not have a hole in it. Let's take a look at that. And that's about as good of a crush as you're going to get. Here is something that looked, when I first saw it just a second ago, it looked like a whole grain. Like it had not gotten crushed, except all it is the husk, and the inner part of the grain is gone out of the husk. That's about perfect. You can see there's a little bit of flour and whatever, but it's not nearly as dusty as I thought it might have been. That looks good. Should make for a good brew. Maybe I'll have some video of the actual brew day to add as well.